Guys, I am back with doing another keratin treatment after 4 months. This is my second time purchasing the Keratin Research Keratin Hair Treatment from Amazon. Before shampooing my hair, I detangled with the Orange Scala conditioner. As you can see, my hair texture was still pretty loose. Yet I decided to do it since I had about 2 inches of new growth that I wanted to tame. So per the directions, I shampooed my hair twice and blow dried it straight. Basically, I took an applicator brush and applied it to my roots. Similar to applying a relaxer or hair dye to your hair, you just swipe it on. I then took a medium fine tooth comb and brushed the product from root to ends. You want to put just enough product that the hair feels moisturized. Not too damp or soaking wet. Otherwise, you will need to squeeze out all of that excess product out of your hair. From here, you are going to silk press your hair as normal. The directions suggest that you blow dry your hair again. Yet, I allowed my hair to air dry to minimize heat damage. I only blow dried again the parts that were still damp, which were just a section of my roots because I accidentally oversaturated it. To get the roots straight, I use this hot comb by Andis on the first setting, which is level 1. I then do the chase method with a Denman brush, passing over the hair 2 to 3 times with my Revlon flat iron. Now, per the directions, they recommend that you pass over the hair until there are absolutely no fumes, which can be 7 to 12 times. I personally do not think that it is necessary. I do have color-treated hair, so because of this, my hair is more prone to heat damage. Also, be mindful that I do not have any heat protectant in my hair, so I want to be extra careful. Now, since I only passed the flat iron over my hair a couple of times, my hair still kind of smelled like the keratin treatment. Yet personally, that did not bother me, and the smell went away after being outside the next day. Anyway, I love this keratin treatment. It has helped me maintain my protective styles for much longer by allowing product to soak into my hair easier. I also believe that making my hair more manageable has contributed to the overall recent health and growth of my hair. I have been able to maintain my length by not having to tug at it often. If you are thinking about purchasing this product, do it.